Hello everybody. In this video tutorial I'm going to show how to set up a bridge connection through a VPN using Openvpn software and TIA portal, so we can download remotely a PLC project to a PLC and check the program. So I'm going to start downloading the software that we need. So we are going to Openvpn, download page, and we're going to download the program. Here we need the Windows 74 version, this one, and I'm going to download and start the setup. So I already have the program installed, but I'm installing it again, so the process is easy. Whenever you install this program, you are going to install a new adapter, a new network adapter. So I'm going to show you what happened. Here is the GUI already executing. Then I'm stopping. I'm going to the control panel, then network adapters. Here we are, and this is my currently network adapters. So here I have this one. This is the one that I'm using to connect to internet. It's a cable one. This is the adapter that the setup installed, and I have already installed this other one. Yeah, so this one is the one that I need to use, the Tab Windows adapter, and for the purpose of the demonstration I have to change the name through Servidor VPN. Yeah? Whenever the name it has, I have to change it. So I put Servidor VPN. That's it, because in my configuration I have this name, but yeah. Then the students, they have to go to the virtual classroom. In my case, this web page, and from there they download a configuration file with the certifications and all the configuration files that they need to make the connection. Is this file, as you see, is a compressed file. They can download whatever they want, so I put them in maybe here. I open it. So here we have a folder with these instructions. Yeah, so these files from this folder, they need to extract, yeah, in the configuration files, that is the main hard drive, program files, Openvpn, let's config here. Yeah, I'm going to skip this step because I already have the files. I'm going to show you where the files are. again the same path is main hard drive, program files, Openvpn, config. Here are my client files. My configuration file is this one. It's a text file, but I already configured the file for the students. And then this other one are the certifications and the keys, the private keys. So we are ready, and I want to show what is my public IP. So I'm going to search public IP address. And I'm going to show you what is my IP, is this one. So I'm going to, again, network adapters. I'm going to use a shortcut this time. This is the shortcut ncpa.cpl. Here are my network adapters. And to make the demonstration, I'm going to disconnect to my LAN, my local area network. I'm going to use my phone that I already have my data connection shared with an access point, and I'm going to use the Wi-Fi of my computer to connect to this new network. Here we are, and as you can see, I have now this IP. But the interesting thing is that right now my public IP address is different. So right now I'm not in my local area network. It's like I'm a student and I'm at home, and I'm going to connect to the machine, so to the PLC. Then we start the Openvpn with is that icon that at first I exit, but right now I need it. So double click, and then here we are. With the right button, click, and then I have two options because I made several tests, but I need this one, Client VPN 1 is the name of the configuration file. And I need to connect. So I use this option, and I'm going to show you a mistake that could happen. This one is because I used to disconnect the network adapters that I didn't use. So I have to enable first, and then now it's enabled. It's not connected, but it's enabled. I'm going to connect again. And right now it's trying to make a connection with the VPN server. It's going to in a way that it's making the connection, checking the certificates, and so in the end, if the thing is working, I get a green icon here with a new IP address. But as you see, is this one 192.168.2.152. This one is address of my LAN network. Yeah. So now I could check a ping to my VPN server. That is this IP. It's working. So I think I can reach my PLC. Is 51. Yeah, here we are. So right now I'm going to use TIA portal. Yeah, here I have 14 and 15, but I'm going to use 14. It doesn't matter because right now we have a bridge connection through TCP, so every version of TIA portal is going to work. And I'm going to download a program to the PLC and checking like my students made during the confinement from their home. I'm using a project of one student, so I'm going to open it first. Okay, let's go to the project view. And as you see in my project, I have the PLC program and an HMI. So first thing, I want to download the program. So I choose download, and I have to make a change in the configuration because I need to use the tab Windows adapter. As you see, my computer is a bit slow because I have the portal open and I'm already recording the video. So here we are. Yeah, it's going to work without changing anything, but I want to show you which network adapter I have. Let's finish the download and then I show you through online access right here. Yes, finishing. Yeah, and it's okay. Now the PLC is running, sorry. And here in online access, I have this tab Windows adapter right here. And this adapter is the one that I'm using to access to my SFM, to the PLC of the SFM model, and also to the HMI if I need it. Yeah, here it is, the PLC. So next step, I have a sample project to use the axis. In this case is the y-axis. And I'm going to open the simulator for the HMI. So let's do it. I think that I need to change also in the control panel the online S7 access, but let's see what happened. Okay, this is the HMI, so I'm going to screen. I need to log in. Okay, let's do it again. Sorry. it's not working. I don't know why. Maybe I miss something here. I think it's okay. Then here. Yeah. So you can see these values because the connection is not working. This is because we have to make a change also there in the control panel, set up the access point. And I need to use again the tab Windows adapter, this one. So whenever we have this link made, I can launch again the simulation. And that's it. So now the students could simulate the program, but they need to see what's happening with the station. So the other thing that I have is a webcam. It's not a real webcam. I'm using a phone with an Android operating system and then an application. This way I'm going to show you what the students could see. I open again here and I'm going to connect to this IP. I think it's this one, 100.09. And if my application is working, here we are. We have a view of the SFN. Next step is trying to put all in the same window to better know what I'm doing. So first thing is enable the axis. I think now it's enabled. And then we can going to make jog movements through the axis. So let's test. Yeah, it's working. Backwards is also working. There are delay obviously, sorry, because you know the connection and this stuff, but you can check the problem. Then the home position, I'm going to make a home position because right now it's not made, so I use this button. And this is the process of homing. Right now the axis have the home defined, so I can make a position. I can make position absolute and relative, so let's start 100 millimeters absolute. Here we are, position 100, it's okay. Another 100, I'm going to use relative. So right now, position 200. It's okay, we can change that, 50. Sorry, plus minus 50. So, yeah, it's working. I can change also the speed. So it's faster now. Program with faster speed is you can't see it so well, but yeah, it's working. We're going to home, so that's it. They can more or less test their program through the HMI, but they can also use, if they need it, the online configuration. So this is the program, the main block. I'm going to put online with the PLC. So here we are. It's only, I suppose, the two blocks that the program have, and I can, use this to put online and check the program. So I think it's a good tool for the students to make a remote connection, downloading the program, trying to test, and of course they have to do this process one by one, and it's a bit slow, but yeah, it was a good experience for the students and for me also. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you. No olvides suscribirte a mi canal y darle al like si el video te ha gustado.